manhattanDistancePoint, we're asked to add the following method to our class. So read over the instructions. It's pretty good at telling you what a Manhattan point is. It's pretty cool, Manhattan distance. But we want to write the code for it here, and it's implemented in our class right here. So essentially what we're doing, if we want to kind of summarize it down, our return is going to be the difference in x plus the difference in y between two different points. So we have 1 point passed here, and we have 1 point here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to store our new x and y values, difference of them in new x and y values. And then I'll see if they're negative, right? Because we don't know which one's greater. We just want the difference of the distance. And I'll make that 100% positive, and then we can return the addition of those two. So first I'll start off with int x. I'll set it equal to, now we have int x here, and we have int x, a field up here. What we can do to use the field and not reference this one is this. We've done this before, so we'll use this dot x plus, or actually minus, because we want the difference, right? And we'll have our point, which is other dot x. So we have other dot x stored inside of our x. Now, if our x is less than 0, we are going to multiply it by a -1. So we'll do x is minus equals to 1. So actually, wait, sorry about that. It should be times equals -1 or -1. And that's pretty much it for this method. We're going to repeat this for y. So we will have int y, and then we'll set it equal to this dot y, and of course we want our other dot y. And then we're just going to check this for y. If you have any questions or anything, you can always leave them in the comments below. We've gone over this kind of before. I actually forgot to return the addition of the two, so x plus y. So once we're done with that, we just want the sum of them. So again, we've done a lot of similar exercises like this before, so this is kind of just a refresher. If you need any help, you can always go in the comments, always watch our other videos. We've passed 4 out of 4 tests, so hopefully you understood that, and that is how we would practice it, exercise 8.3.